Alrighty folks, what you see here is a 36-inch S.M.C. Laguna with a single fitter light kit. Got this fan off new in box off Marketplace recently. Probably already saw the unboxing video of it, but here's the box for it. But yeah. It is in white with stencil blades, as you can clearly see, and with a single fitter. Try to get over here to not kill myself on the process, but very nice stencil blades. This is dated 1988, if anybody's curious. And that single fitter that it's got on it is in fact a genuine S.M.C. light kit, or it just has a sticker on it. That's all I know, but yeah, S.M.C. labeled light kit on the inside of the light. There's the light. If anybody's wondering, I am using a 25 watt incandescent light bulb. Here's low speed. It's in pretty good shape. There's a bit of surface rust, like barely noticeable rust on the canopy, but I guess that's what you get for having a fan sitting in the box for a while. I picked this up off Marketplace for 10 bucks if anybody's curious. Picked it up a few weeks ago. I'm actually very happy I got this because it's kind of unique, and you don't find the S.M.Cs with a light kit like this. But yeah, no scratches on the whole fan whatsoever. Again, new in box. You really shouldn't expect that if it's new, like with the plastic wrap around it. Here's the light on low. Medium. And I've got nothing much else to say about it, but we'll say it's a nice fan, and yeah, so on and so forth. Did come with both of the plastic fobs, as you can probably see in the camera. And you don't find those on S.M.Cs very much, but yeah. That's medium. I'll show the light on medium. Just like so. I did have to replace the light switch, the pull light switch in this stand today, because the plastic thing that connects the screw part on, the brass screw part on, broke. Not hard to replace at all, just, takes a bit of time to do it. That's high. Blows a pretty good amount of air. Got a close-up of it. Bearings are starting to make a hissing noise. This thing is wobble free. It does not wobble. Very nice, very great, very good. Yada yada. Here's the light. And now I'm actually looking at it just still. Me just standing still here, it actually does have a tiny bit of a slight wobble, but it's like barely noticeable. Spin down. I may have to put some white lithium grease in these bearings. Things should stop pretty quick because the bearings are stiff from sitting in the box of all these years, but I've been running it frequently, so hopefully they're freeing up. And yes, I do have another one just like this, except it doesn't have a light kit, and the motor is it's the smaller motor. Same blade brackets and same blades, except my other one's in way worse shape. Probably came out of a cabin or something that was just not well taken care of or something. That's all for right now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.